and welcome to U.S. Healthcare Nurses. In today's video, we will feature the Agency Setting tab. In order to get to the Agency Setting tab, simply log on to the website www.ushealthcarenurses.com. After you log in, click on the Agency tab at the top of the web page. You will be able to do this by going to the top of your screen and clicking on the person icon where it will drop down and allow you to sign in. If you need to change any of your agency's information, simply scroll to the top right of the home screen, click on the drop-down, and click on Settings. In the Settings area, you will be able to update and/or change any of your agency's information to include your agency's name, address, telephone, and email. You will also be able to upload or change your agency's logo in the Settings tab. For more information and videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can become part of the U.S. Healthcare Nurses community.